Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and today I want to announce that GEMFAN has brand new props for the DJI AVATA 2. Now if you're not familiar with the company GEMFAN, they do make really cool ball caps. Maybe I'm a little too old to wear this, but what the heck. Let's see, it probably goes something like this on my head. Anyways, there we go. Yeah, I'm too old to wear this. So if you're not familiar with this company, they sent me this huge banner, but if you're not familiar with GEMFAN, well, if you're in the FPV hobby, everybody who flies FPV drones, who's been flying FPV drones for the last 10 years or 20 years, uses GEMFAN props on their quads. And the reason everyone does that is because GEMFAN props are one of the best, if not the best, props you can get in the FPV drone market. So whenever you see me review an FPV drone, usually if I'm going to keep that FPV drone, I put my own props on it, which are usually GEMFAN, and they're nice and brightly colored. So because of that, it is pretty cool that they now make props for the DJI AVATA 2, and they sell them super cheap. When I look on the website, they're like $2.89 US for a package of 4. I don't know if that price is correct, but that's what it's showing currently. And they come in 3 different colors. They come in tangerine orange, which I have. They come in smoke black, which I have. And they also come in super bright neon yellow, which I don't have. Now, if you're curious about these props and you want to know the specs about them, I'll put that on screen now. You can stop the video and you can read what it says. Now I did weigh the props, the DJI props versus the GEMFAN props, and they weigh the same. And if I read what GEMFAN wrote on their website under the product, they say that these props for the DJI AVATA 2 are made with more stiffer material. Not so sure about that, I'll show you in a second, which will give you 1 minute or longer flight time as compared to the original DJI props. So that's a bonus. Now, the reason I said I don't know if they're stiffer, I don't think they're stiffer than the original props, because when I try to bend the original props, they're pretty stiff. And when I try to bend these ones from GEMFAN, I can bend them. They're quite flexible, which is a good thing if you crash. So now if you get these props and you want to put them on your DJI AVATA, I'm going to show you quickly what you need to do. You take a 1.5 millimeter hex, it's written someplace here, 1.5 millimeter, then take out the 2 screws holding the prop in place. Once you get that prop out, don't take any of the other ones off. Take that one off and then match up the GEMFAN prop to it so that you can have the exact same pitch and angle that the prop is, because if you don't, and say you just haphazardly put props on, well, your drone is not going to fly, because the AVATA is designed so that 2 props turn in one direction and the other 2 turn in another direction. So if you're in the FPV hobby, the AVATA does a props in thing. In other words, the 2 forward props turn inwards towards the nose. And that leaves you with the 2 rear props at the back of the AVATA, and they turn inwards towards the tail. So after you get your DJI prop off, take a look at the bottom of it, because there are 2 little pegs sticking out. Those 2 little pegs fit in holes on the motor. So when you put your new prop on, there's 2 little pegs in the new prop as well. They have to fit in those holes on the motor so that the other 2 holes on the motor are for your screws. If you don't get the pegs in the holes, then your prop's going to sit on an angle and your drone is going to vibrate like heck. So finally, put the 2 screws back in to hold the prop in place. Don't over tighten them, just securely tighten them and everything will be fine. Then do that to the other 3 props and you're all set to fly. So speaking of flying, you're probably wondering, how does it fly with the new props? Well, I took it out on a very windy day. It's the only day I had that was free, and I flew it around in normal mode. So you can see me flying it here in normal mode. It flies well. I really don't notice much difference. Then I put it in sport mode. Again, it flies well. You know, I can get this thing to do some pretty cool things. So in normal mode and sport mode, it flew well. Now, since this is the DJI AVATA, it's not crazy powerful. So in other words, putting different props on it, there's a difference, but the difference is always very small. So now you're probably wondering what the difference is. Is it noisier or less noisy? I'd say it's about the same noise. Here, I'll show you what it sounds like from different distances away. So here's what I did. I took this camera. This camera has a nice mic on it, and I stood different distances away and I filmed, and it has a massive zoom on this camera so I can zoom way in. So by standing farther away, zooming in, using this mic, you'll see it at the top of the screen how far I was standing away. You can hear what it sounds like. That's about the best comparison I can do. You know, even if I compared the original props to the new ones, it's very hard to people to tell a difference. To me, they all sound the same. But anyways, for your listening pleasure, here's what it sounds like. Now, finally, for the people out there who fly in manual mode, because manual mode is the true FPV hobby, I flew this in manual mode and it flies quite well. Did I notice a big difference? I did not notice a massive difference. The only thing I noticed that was a little bit different was that when I went full blast at high speed, I think my speed was pretty good. You can look at the bottom left of my screen and you can see what my speed is when I'm going full blast. But other than that, flying this around, you know, cornering and going through things and under things and around things and over roads, and it was very easy to fly with these props on. Now you're wondering if I could tell a difference flying in manual mode between the original props and these ones. I honestly couldn't. I found these were good. They're definitely not worse than the DJI props. They might be slightly better, maybe a little bit more speed, maybe a little bit more everything, but I honestly can't tell you there's a major difference. I think you'd have to buy these yourselves and test them out over a month and see if they're different for your liking. GEMFAN tells me they're better. They say you'll get 1 minute or more longer flight time with these props on. So if that's the case, I guess it's a benefit. So that's it. I'm going to put this awesome GEMFAN hat back on that my sons would just laugh at me if they saw me wearing this. But anyways, yeah, what can I say? I have the banner too. They sent me the hat, they sent me the banner, and they asked me to show you the props, and I have done that. So whoo to GEMFAN. I would say go check it out. Where is that beak on this thing? I would say go check it out. If the props are actually, as I'm looking at the price here, $2.89 for a package of 4, that's insane. I don't think that's the right price. They also say if you want to see how much it costs to ship them to you, you have to log in, so they have your country and everything. Anyways, shipping is going to be different for every country. But if the price of the props is super low and your shipping's super low, well, my God, it's a no-brainer. Get these props then. Anyways, if you have any more questions on the props, post them below. I'll get back to you. But for now, I say thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in a future video with many more reviews. Until then, bye!